Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Hello everyone, even though it's June, Merry Christmas, or Christmas is around the corner, or it's upon us. Merry Christmas. And that's where I'm sharing with you my resin Christmas ornaments without a cricut or without ready-made stickers. I'm trying to be a little creative. Check the card above. I don't know if you saw my ornaments, my pet Christmas ornaments or Christmas ornaments for pen. I used stencils. I used these ones, and I'm also going to use them here. At the same time, I'm going to cut off some of the images I like. And the reason I cut off, as I mentioned in the other video, is because sometimes when you put this in, because it's not silicone, it's not malleable enough, it can't stay down well for that. If you want, maybe you can do that and draw and then paint in, but remember, you don't want to scratch your mold, because when you scratch your mold, it always shows up in whatever next silicone piece you make. So I'll cut that. I come with stencil in, and then we continue adding our resin. I can't wait to see how these ones turn out. Please let me know what you think. If you find this valuable, at the end of this, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my future videos, and so that you can also see the other Christmas ornaments. Because even after this, I'm going to do another with this set, but to personalize, a different technique of making the ornaments, but to personalize them, so that in case you want your family names on the ornaments, you know who to come to, or you can see how to make them for yourselves. And you can also see more of that on my Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Migwi Inspires. Please follow me. All pieces used, all items used in this video are linked in the description below. And let me know what color combination is your favorite in the comment section below. Here we are. I just wanted to show you what cutouts I've made. So we have a Christmas tree, we have a candle, and I'm trying to do it the reverse, or like the mirror image to what I would like to see when it's finished, you know. So the candle there, that, the dog, the direction of the cats, and the fish is in the direction of how I want to see it at the end. So the reverse of that. And we have our Christmas bell. So at least you can see from far, but let me bring you close, because I'll have to show you in a moment how you're going to do each of them. And then I'm going to put you on a time lapse, because this will take some time, and I will list on top here what colors I'm using for each as I go on, so that I put for you some music so that you don't get bored just watching me. right, that's the end. It's quite tedious to do it this way. I have to find a better way of doing it. Maybe just do the outline and then fill it in, especially when it's bleeding under. So now let's pick our resin and glitters and continue. And that's why handmade things are expensive. They're all cured, so let's check how they turned out. First, open one by one. I love the colors, how they turned out. Such a variety of Christmas colors. So you can order what you fancy or what works for your Christmas theme. Alright, so let's turn them around. Look at the bells. Oh, cute. All right. Oh, our cat and fish. Our dog and bone. This should have been a brighter color or a darker, very bright color or darker. Oh, look at the stars. Oh, lovely. Oh, the candle. And our Christmas tree. Wow. So at least it gives an option. If you want, you can add another coat of clear, but for me, I don't think so. I don't think I will, because of putting the resin on, it's embedded. But if you want it to be brighter, but I love that you can also use this as the other side. So it's two-sided. Yeah. Look at that. And because it's translucent, I imagine it with some lighting. So if you have a pet, they have their own ornament, you can have their name personalized. Please check the card above. I'll show you a personalized set. All right, this one, I was hoping the gold would be the lighter gold, almost similar to this. And that's why I had used this as a brown, you know, that bronze chocolate color. But for a pet now, I would be able maybe to put a name. So check the card above on that new video. And so let's put them together, put the ribbons, and you just see how they look. And maybe I try put some lights so that you see how they would look against the light. But I also love, see the contrasting textures, the white with the white, the red, the chunkier glitter, the fine glitter. I love that contrast, and you can see it very well at the back. And see the floating, the way they are floating in there. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Look at that contrast. And if you want, you can come now color some more. So there's no end to the possibilities with this. So keep watching. I hope you've loved this. And if you find this valuable, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on this, and have another selection of these Christmas ornaments. So please keep watching. For the next few days, I'll just sort of drop all the Christmas products here. And also follow me on Instagram at Juliet Migwi Inspires.